Hello, everybody. My name is Manuel Marin, and I'm currently an undergraduate student at Johns Hopkins University studying mechanical engineering. Due to our current pandemic, most of our classes have been moved to an online format, and one of the many classes that have been affected is mechanics space design laboratory. Most of our laboratories were going to be conducted in person, and we were going to have access to many machining tools. But due to our current strain, we were assigned to make a homemade project. As for my homemade project, I decided to make a dish rack. My purpose with this dish rack was to make a innovative design. So what I decided to do was make it overhanging but also modular, as in I can store away if it doesn't need to. So the most important thing of this any dish rack is to be able to hold weight, such as pans and pots, which this does really well. Now, to show you how I fabricated, let me first remove everything that has been drying overnight. Now, this structure has three main components. First, the elastic band, which is made using wooden sticks and a kata of a shirt. So what I did, if I'm able to remove it, now what I did was make kind of a ladder made out of shirts and staples and wooden sticks. So what I did, I cut the sticks evenly and cut the side of the shirt and then glue each side together, which makes it elastic but also durable if placed along the ridge I created out of two wood planks. Now, another component is that it's easily, and as I mentioned, it can also be hidden away and carried by the strap that was also made with it. The ladders that were fabricated of wood can also be hidden away within the structure, and this can all be placed away. And to assemble it, you would carry it, place it over the sink, place the supports, I would then start sliding the wooden ladder across the surface, and then I once again have set up the dish rack. From this view of the dish rack, you can see the different components. I added a door hinge here, which allows it to collapse on itself. I also, under each hinge, I open a hole in which each frame can be supported from. I also additionally added a strap to be able to carry it anywhere around the house, and I also added like a little design just to not be bland. In conclusion, if I had to redo this project again with more time and more resources, there are several things that I would change. The first one being the weight. For such a simple structure, I wish I could have made it lighter, and that was just all due to the wood I bought, which was the cheapest in my hometown. And another thing that would change is the design, but not the design itself, just the preciseness of all the cuts and how I would CNC them or use mills to make the holes that I wanted. Since I wasn't able to design it in CAD, there's a lot of small imperfections that don't allow it to match perfectly, and which takes credit away from the structure. And also, if I had more resources, I would also paint it and make it more aesthetic. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for my many videos to come. I also added a time lapse of how I built it at the end of this video. Hope you enjoy it.
You need cooling, baby, I'm not fooling. I'm gonna send you back to schooling. Way down inside, honey, you need it. I'm gonna give you my love. I'm gonna give you my love. Oh, want a whole lot of love. 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 You've been learning, baby, I've been learning. All that good time, baby, I've been dirty. Way, way down inside, honey, you need I'm gonna give you my love. I'm gonna give you my love. Oh, whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love.
Now, to demonstrate how I came up with this sign and built it, let me first remove everything I put on top. And it has three basic components. First, the